Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make program run as administrator always. To start, enter the name of the application in the search box. Click on Open File Location. After that, right-click on the shortcut and open its properties. Here in the Shortcut tab, click on Advanced. You're going to check the box, Run as Administrator, click OK. When you click Apply, you must select Continue to grant administrator permission, click OK. With this, when you double-click on the shortcut, you will see that this program opens as administrator. Press Yes to open. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.